see. So actually Wednesday, all that creature would have to pay for the storage.
That's why Liberty Mutual Insurance has your back, offering exclusive products like optional better car
Have all that stuff already there.
cars total. Money to buy one a model year newer. Call 1-888-792-3456 and ask an insurance expert about all like our 24/7 support.
Where's Mommy? Her car is here.
Insurance, we believe our customers do their best out there in the world. So we do everything we can to be there for them when they need.
How you know?
Plus, you can save hundreds when you switch.
What do you mean?
I just texted her if she needs some cheap
Yes she is. Right, lady?
She don't have
Mutual
none.
Insurance. Responsibility.
Lady's shaking, she cold.
Choose an innovative Nissan power
I want it.
and get an easier way.
It's too cold in here for her. Yeah, right now because she's sick. Come on.
$279 per month. Shop at
Here.
choosenissan.com.
Bless you.
Get a little warm in there. Taking pictures of this place.
No, I'm taking videos.
Let's take it over there and show it to them.
No, I'm not.
New factories are built. Old factories reopen.
Beep.
Wheels and tires get
Well,
rolled.
but she turned this thing yellow from spitting out that medicine.
Communities thrive. And a company called Titan International makes progress.
When I was told I had prostate cancer, I figured surgery, recovery, 45 radiation treatments. I didn't have time for that.
South Jersey Cyberknife at Cooper treats prostate cancer in only
Are we gonna go for a ride?
No incisions, no
I might
pain,
have to go
and
back to
fewer
something.
side effects. Right?
No, let me go.
Cyberknife was right for us.
Bless you.
versus 45 is your choice. Call South Jersey Cyberknife.
Would you rather watch a show with the biggest prize in game show history, or would you rather be on?
You okay?
Go to NBC.com or download the app.
She came
Oh, I'm not going nowhere.
30-second quiz.
Come on, go.
The million-second quiz premieres
Come here.
September 8/7 Central, live
Lady.
on NBC.
Come on. Go ahead. I think I'm going out the door today.
The March on Washington changed
Come on, sit down.
America, but somehow, so many of the problems it was meant to combat are still with us. Barack Obama broke the highest glass ceiling, but we have still not overcome
Lay
it.
down.
Black Americans are still battling disparities in hiring, wealth, education, voting rights, and criminal justice policies that create a structure that makes it
Stay
nearly
warm right here.
impossible to ascend in class.
Or if somebody turns the air off
Tomorrow we'll see another march, another
and put the
chance
heat on.
to shove things forward. I'll be there. I hope you'll hop on a
Why
train
did
to
you put the
DC
heat
and join
on?
us. But what do
'Cause
we
she's
focus on? To deal with
in
that
the
question,
summertime.
I'm honored to welcome in my friend Mark Morial, the president of the National Urban League. Mark, what are the most important steps for the black community to take right now?
Great to
Got
it's
on
great
the
to
train.
be with you. Today we took a historic step when four of us, Reverend
You get a
Chapter,
Oh,
text.
she pushed the
the
thing.
NAACP,
I know, it's probably your mom saying she outside.
organizations released the 21st
I'm not
century
going anywhere.
Job and Freedom, so that this march will not
Say
simply
cheese,
be a
lady.
one-day celebration, but an effort to mobilize
Eat.
around a series of issues. And as you mentioned in your open, we see wide disparities in unemployment. The jobless rate among black Americans is twice as high as we see certainly a public system of education which is failing to meet the needs of the 21st century and isn't educating all of our kids to the fullest extent of their abilities. We see health care. And in the voting rights arena, which was an important success area in 1960, we see a vicious assault even coming from the Supreme Court on voting rights and democracy. There's no lack of current issues.
Why is she watching TV?
Even against the backdrop
I want to come with you. Let Lady come.
progress in the last 50 years.
No, Mark, that's exactly right. This is a time of remembrance, but it's also a time to reflect, as Tori was saying, on how far we've come and how far
I'll be
we
back,
still have
Miles.
yet to go. And
Where you going? Getting ice cream?
surprised me. It shows that
Get ice cream.
You coming?
a lot more needs
Nah.
to be done to achieve the colorblind
I'm not
society
coming.
that King
Why? 'Cause
obviously
Lady ain't
envisioned in
going?
his 19th
Yes.
century I Have a Dream speech.
Bye.
The large stack, I mean, the poll shows the economic divide between white
Lady.
and black people is roughly the same as it was half a century
How are you?
ago. Half a century ago.
The self-sustainability.
Bye, TT.
The ability to afford those necessities of life and some niceties of life. One has a less greater degree of problems, there's no doubt. Economics, and I think it's important for people to recognize the situation has eroded. The Great Recession cost the nation. It cost people of backgrounds, but especially cost those who were locked out and left out, and cost communities of color. But it's also, Abby, against this larger backdrop of a widening gulf between the economic classes in this nation that has been a narrative for the last 20 years. And I hope finally, with the march and some of the discussions that we're going to have in the release, we're going to confront the idea that income inequality is not
Hi, lady.
thing. That an economy which
Bless
is
you.
equal, an economy which
Say hi to
provides
the camera.
opportunity and upward
Hi.
mobility for all, that's the American economic value we need to try to achieve.
And Mark, you mentioned voting rights. We know
Bless
that
you.
the March on Washington was about
Bless you.
rights and justice. We know that we have laws on the books
Bless
now,
you.
the Civil Rights Act of 64,
Bless
the
you.
Voting Rights Act of 62,
Bless
out
you.
of those marches. And many Republicans,
You okay?
as you know, have
You okay,
historically
girl?
been helpful in
Even though I
reviewing
can't
those
pet you.
laws. Jim Sensenbrenner, the Republican chairman of the Judiciary
Bless you.
Committee, fought to renew the Voting Rights Act most recently in 2006.
Bless you.
And many of us have credited him for that. And yet, I want to read to you a very disturbing thing that he said yesterday
Bless you.
to the Texas lawsuit on the voter ID issue. He said, "I regret that the DOJ announced its intent to file a lawsuit against the Texas voter ID
You okay,
law,
lady?
citing the Voting Rights Act," which I mentioned he supported. And he said, "I spoke with the Attorney
I'm
General
okay.
and requested that he withdraw the case until
I'm okay.
the legislative fix of the VRA. The lawsuit would make it much more difficult
You're heavy.
fix to restore the heart of the VRA. To translate that,
Sorry.
you basically have a Republican who's typically been on the side of Voting Rights Act renewal now saying he doesn't think we can get there unless the
You'll be
Attorney
okay,
General
right?
doesn't enforce parts of the law that the Supreme Court didn't even touch. I view that yesterday's statement as one of the worst things that's happened in this debate. This weekend is important